Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, July 24, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going this morning?
Hey David, I'm doing okay, thanks. How about you?
Not too bad. Just need this coffee to kick in. Got a busy day ahead.
I feel you. I've got a big meeting to prepare for.
Oh, meetings, always a blast. Hey, did you catch the news about US inflation and tariffs?
Yeah, I did. Prices are going up because of new trade rules.
Man, that's gonna hit sales hard. Clients hate paying extra.
It's true. It makes budgeting for projects trickier too.
Yeah, I'm already warning my clients about higher costs. Such a pain.
I know. We might need to rethink some plans.
For sure. I just hope it doesn't mess up my targets this quarter.
Same here. I'm worried about project delays if costs keep rising.
Oh, let's not even think about delays. We've got enough stress.
Right. At least we've got coffee to keep us sane.
True. Coffee is the real boss around here. Saves my day every time.
It really does. I don't know how I'd survive without it.
Same. Hey, speaking of surviving, did you hear about the new tech app update?
No, what's that about? I'm curious.
It's for organizing tasks and schedules. They say it's super helpful.
Oh, that sounds useful. I need something for my project deadlines.
Yeah, me too. I keep forgetting stuff with all these client calls.
I get that. Does the app work for teams as well?
I think so. They say it's great for teamwork and sharing tasks.
Nice. I might check it out for my group.
You should. If it works, I'll look like a genius in the office.
We'll see. I like how tech can make work easier.
Totally. Anything to cut down on stress is a win for me.
Agreed. It's amazing how much tech changes things.
Yeah, saves time too. I could use more hours in the day.
Don't we all? I'm always running out of time.
Haha. Tell me about it. Oh, and did you see that story about the celebrity charity event?
Yeah, I did. It's for education, isn't it?
Yep. Some big stars raising money for schools. Pretty neat, right?
It is. Education really needs more support.
For sure. I mean, I could have used better books or teachers growing up.
Haha, same here. It's nice to see famous people helping out.
Yeah, makes the world feel a bit less crazy. Not just bad news all the time.
True. It's a good change from the usual headlines.
Hey, if they help kids learn, I'm all for it. Maybe they'll inspire me to sell more.
Haha, everything's about sales with you. But yeah, it's a positive story.
Gotta keep the business rolling, you know? I like seeing the good stuff.
Me too. It reminds me why we work so hard.
Exactly. We're all trying to make things better in our own way.
That's a nice way to look at it. Small steps, right?
Yep, small steps. Hey, how's your project going anyway?
It's okay, just very busy. Lots of details to sort out.
I bet. I've got like 5 client calls before lunch today.
Wow, that's a lot. Good luck with those.
Thanks. I'll need all the luck I can get. They're tough ones.
I'm sure you'll handle it. You always do.
Ha, fingers crossed. What about you? Got anything big after your meeting?
Just more paperwork and emails. The usual stuff?
Oh, emails. My worst enemy. I've got 100 to reply to.
I know that feeling. They never stop coming.
Never. I swear my inbox just laughs at me.
Mine too. It's like a never-ending job.
Totally. Hey, you got any fun plans after work to relax?
Not really, just chilling at home. What about you?
Same. Probably watch some TV. Need to switch off.
That sounds nice. Rest is so important with our schedules.
Yeah. Gotta recharge for another crazy day. Can't keep going without a break.
So true. A little downtime helps a lot.
For sure. I might even sleep early if I'm lucky.
Haha, that's the dream. I'm always up late with work.
Tell me about it. I'm always tired by the end of the day.
Same. This job takes a lot out of us.
It does, but hey, we're still here, right? That's something.
Haha, yeah, we keep showing up. That counts.
Yep, we're tough. Can't let the office win.
Never, we've got this.
That's the spirit. Well, I guess I better get back to my desk.
Yeah, me too. Can't stay by the coffee machine all day.
Huh. Wish we could. See you later, Alex.
See you later, David. Have a good day.
You too. Have a great one.
Thanks, catch up soon.
For sure, take it easy.
You too, don't work too hard.
No promises. See you around.
See you?
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.